Hey guys, this is Silverbolt Ballistics, and today we are going to be cleaning a Remington 870 Express. First thing you want to do is open the action and physically look down the barrel, see that nothing is down in there, and we can take off the barrel now by unscrewing this cap. And now we can separate the barrel. Next, we will be taking off the slide. In order to do that, you open up in here, and there is a little knot right around here. You want to press on that, and this will come out. So now it'll look like this. You can take apart the trigger assembly by taking these pins out, and this will just slide out. But today's video, I'm not going to do that. To clean the bore, I'm going to be using a 12 gauge bore snake. Just run this bore snake down the barrel. Do that a few more times. And you can do this. You can run the bore snake through this as many times as you want. This is just a smooth action barrel, so I don't have to do anything crazy. But this is what I got so far. Okay, now that we have the barrel done, let's go ahead and work on these rails. They don't need anything special. I like to just use a brush and cleaner on the rails. I'm not going to scrub the wood because I have wipes that will protect it. So I just got my cleaner on it, and now try and get this worked in here. and this is off of just one rail. Make sure that the other rail is good to go. Okay, now we have the barrel and the slide done. Now onto this. The bolt will sit on this like so. So we want to make sure that we get both of these really good. And same thing, just kind of scrub it. And we'll wipe it down with a patch. To get it in the corners, I will use a pick just to make sure I got the little edges done. Now that we have that part done, we can work on the bolt. The bolt, you can clean like normal, but you will see me oil it up. You don't want anything sitting around this firing pin. So since I don't want anything sitting around this firing pin, I'm going to spray some cleaner on this brush and brush it. Now we can go ahead and wipe off the cleaner. Again, make sure nothing is sitting around the face of the firing pin. Now the bolt is complete. Now it's inside of the shotgun. You can go ahead and take this spring out if you want. All you have to do is push in and rotate your finger and the whole spring will come out. For this, I'm just going to spray some cleaner down in here. Make sure you get everything good. And we can scrub it. run some few patches in there to clean it up. And any small parts, you can pick at it. Don't be afraid to pause and inspect your weapon. Make sure that you're getting everything out. Make sure that you feel comfortable shooting again or storing it for a while. Now we are going to be putting lubrication on. You don't need much on shotguns, honestly. Put one little drop on these rails and make sure you get it in good, because this is where the metal will slide. Okay, and now you can rub it in. Now find this metal piece. It will sit right in these grooves. It will sit right in these grooves, just like this. Now the bolt, you want to make sure that the ejector part is towards the slide. And when you're putting this back on, stick your finger through the tongue, and there is a little piece of the rail that you need to push in towards the receiver, and it'll slide in a little bit. Now there is a piece of rail on the other side that you need to push in, and then it'll fall into place. We have put this back on. Grab your barrel and clean the outside of your barrel. Especially the part that actually sits in the gun. You want to make sure you get that good. This will dry on the gun, but it will protect it at the same time. Okay, now we can put the barrel back on. You need to open the action a little bit by pressing this button down here and open it just a little bit. Now that the barrel is on, we can go ahead and put the cap back on. Again, make sure nothing is in here. Physically look in there and go ahead and function test the gun. Rack it back, lock it, put it forward, pull the trigger, pull it back, push it forward. Go ahead and put the safety on right here. Make sure it doesn't shoot, and you're good. Go ahead and wipe. Now you can wipe down the gun and you're good to go. Look how beautiful it is now. Thank you guys for watching Silver Bullet Ballistics. Like and subscribe for more videos just like this.